With a regal Danish origin, Bang & Olufsen is one of the most iconic names in the audio industry that's directly related to a pristine combination of stylish design on par with innovating technologies that have been creating a buzz among users on a global scale. And recently, B&O is targeting a new milestone by introducing their most powerful speaker yet, the Beosound A5, which more than meets the eye. So, how much of an upgrade are we talking about, and what's the buzz all about? How much would it cost? And most importantly, how justified is the sky-high price tag? Find all that and more in our video today. Designed in collaboration with the iconic Danish-Italian design duo of Gamfratesi, the new Beosound A5 was released with the objective of acting as a bridge between northern and southern design cultures with a sound that's immersive, craftsmanship that's meticulous and precise, and longevity that astonishes. With this being the first collaboration of B&O with Gamfratesi, the result, as you can see, is a design that has deep roots in the Scandinavian aesthetic with a look that's never been pulled off by B&O ever before. The Beosound A5 comes with two color options to choose from. The first choice will be utilizing a natural aluminum base with a woven paper fiber front and utilizes a lightweight handle that's made out of oak wood. According to the company, the design language is a representation of a laid-back Scandinavian summer at the beach, and it's hard to disagree with that. The second version of the speaker is the polar opposite, where it's based on black anthracite aluminum and crafted with a dark oak speaker grille in tandem with a handle that's inspired by the Scandinavian winter woodlands. With an objective to provide portable audio without taking a dip in the quality, the oak handle of the speaker allows it to be carried from room to room, all while the IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating ensures it can deal with inclement weather conditions. The rechargeable built-in battery can provide power for up to 12 hours from a single charge, and as a nifty little addition, there's a wireless phone charger situated on the top plate. Being one of the most versatile speakers ever to be produced by B&O, the Beosound A5 can be controlled with a sleek and solid user interface, or alternatively through a smartphone by utilizing their proprietary app. Whenever someone claims a B&O speaker to be their most powerful one yet, that says a lot given the track record. You see, the Beosound A5 is their most powerful speaker yet for good reason. The speaker comes with 4 speaker drivers that are powered by a set of quadruple digital amplifiers that dish out a power output of 280 watts, which in layman terms is enough to fill out a large room with 360-degree sound. The 4 drivers consist of a 5.25-inch woofer and 2 2-inch mid-range units alongside a single 0.75-inch tweeter. While the speaker draws aesthetic inspiration from the renowned Beolit series, the Beosound A5 uses tech that was used in the class-leading Beolab 90 and 50 hi-fi speakers. Beosound A5 also makes use of the beamform tech, an innovation that was first implemented on the Beolab series speakers that create a sense of immersion unlike anything people would be expecting from a mere portable speaker. B&O is one of those brands that take an immense amount of pride in the longevity of their products, and as expected, the Beosound A5 does not stray far from that. Adding up to the classic and timeless design and appearance, the speaker makes use of a remarkably modular design that enables it to be easily serviced and repaired in order to extend its already staggering amount of lifetime. In addition, B&O will be providing exchangeable front covers based on new and exotic materials and colorways, so you have a speaker that's constantly evolving over the years, so it can easily keep up with your individual taste and whimsical ideas. All of these will provide the Beosound A5 with a long and productive lifestyle which, if all goes well, can even go through multiple owners. B&O designed the speaker to be as much as a speaker as it's an heirloom of sorts. However, if it does reach the end of its life cycle, the Beosound A5 can be easily disassembled, recycled, and repurposed. In terms of software, not straying too far from the tree, Beosound A5 utilizes the Modular software platform from the company that ensures the speakers stay strong even beyond its physical construction. Modular is known to provide the latest and greatest features across audio, connectivity, and software design, and acts as a bridge between the technology of B&O's past with the present and, of course, the future. Since the speaker has the ability to evolve over time, the Beosound A5 may very well be considered a year-long investment. You can get your hands on the Beosound A5 Nordic Weave variant for $1099, while the dark oak variant will cost you $1199. Overall, we loved its design, intuitiveness, and of course the reason it's being made, the sound quality. So that was a take on the Bang & Olufsen Beosound A5 and why it's better than you think. What are your thoughts on the new speaker from B&O? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.